Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore matching washer and electric dryer set. Right now I've got this one filling up, pretty heavy jeans and towel load. I've got it set on the heavy duty cycle and then large load over here. We're going to let it go ahead and fill up. I'll show you that it agitates, drains the water out, and then spins nice and smooth like it's supposed to. Washer gets a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfect before it gets listed up for sale, before it leaves my care. So we'll let it fill up and we'll come back to it. Okay, you can see here that it's got a nice strong agitation. This here where I got my pinky is a safety lid switch. So if the lid gets opened, it stops. You can see that works, and see it's got a nice strong agitation. It sounds great. So we'll come back after the rinse cycle, show you that it drains, and the final spin. Okay, moving out of the wash cycle and the rinse cycle, you can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. Now I'm not going to lift up the lid because it'll interrupt the neutral drain cycle, because it goes into neutral mode without spinning, drains the water out, then it kicks over into drive essentially and starts spinning. And if you lift the lid up, you can interrupt that cycle. So typically after starting the load, you're not supposed to lift this lid up. Good little tip there. Sometimes if you do and it messes it up, and then you got to start all over again. Alright guys, now we're into that final spin cycle. Should be at about top speed. You can see it's nice, smooth, sounds great. And I'm going to lift the lid up, show you that it's spinning nice and fast. Of course the lid switch will kick in and shut it down. And it puts the brakes on. Nice safety feature to have. Alright, we'll let this finish up. We'll move those clothes over to the dryer and show you the dryer. Okay, now I've got those clothes moved over to the Kenmore electric dryer. Show you the lid switch there works. We got it on time dry, which is your high heat setting. You can see it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. And I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. Right in between our two red dots, it's going to, where it takes its surface temperature measurement. So you can see kind of the difference between the machine and the floor there a little bit. Go ahead and open this up. We're going to shoot this right inside the heating element tube. Plenty of heat coming out of that tube right there, which in turn heats up the inside of your dryer anywhere from 95 up to about 195. That just depends on what you have your heat setting. So you could do air dry if you had delicates, really delicates. Otherwise you do have a specific delicate cycle for low heat, and then automatic high heat. And I just kind of like the time dry, just kind of set it and go. That works for me. Of course your lint trap is on top there. That's going to be it for this video, guys. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. Thanks.